Okay, I'm going to tell you about a cool accessibility feature that can be used, especially on these touch screen Chromebooks that some of our students have. If accessing a keyboard or a mouse is really hard for them, then this is a great alternative. So we're going to go down here to where we see the time, and we're going to click on it, and then we're going to look for that body that says accessibility, and then we're going to find where it says on-screen keyboard, and we're going to check that. All right, then we're going to get out of that, and then we're going to get to wherever we happen to need to type in a document, in a search engine, wherever we need. We're going to click right here on that little tiny keyboard, and now it comes up. So I'm going to start typing R-E, let's say I wanted the word really, and it has some word prediction here, so that's cool. It's already in there. And then I'm starting, ooh, good. And then my next word is job. So it already knew what I wanted, so I could use that word prediction to help me out to make typing a little easier. The other thing that I could do is to make typing easier, I could use this little microphone here and try using dictation. I am trying to do a really good job, period. All right, and then I have another way to type into my Google Doc. And then you're like, oh, this is taking up half the screen, it's so annoying. Well, then you press that little keyboard button again and it goes away. And so now you just have full access to the screen again. So I hope that's helpful for some of your students.